Hello and welcome to another video from oorail. As you can see here, we have a bit of a problem with our track, and I thought I'd take the opportunity to show you how to go about troubleshooting it. So the problem we ran into was we were testing DCC, and this is running on analog, but we were testing DCC controller and the P2 would periodically stop right about there, and it would also stop on the other side of the track as well in a part of the loop. And it turns out that there's a faulty set of fish plates that are sitting there, and so what happens when you push down on it and something heavy goes over it, it's just loosening that connection. And the temperature's kind of changed quite a bit over the last few days as well, so that's probably had a contributing factor to it as well. So we're going to go show you how we troubleshooted the problem and how to go about fixing it. So you can see here what we have is the Train Tech tester. And so what you do is you simply line it up against the rails like so and push down on it, and it should light green. Now it might be a little tricky for me to do this, but I'll try to do it. We'll get this in shot so you can still see it's green, but if I go down here and there you go, if I tap on the joint over here where the fish plates are, you can see that if I put enough pressure down on it, the light goes out. So what was happening was when I was messing with DCC yesterday, I had two trains running. I had the P2 and a Class 55 Deltic, and when the Deltic went over this joint, it was actually causing the circuit to go down. And so there's not a lot I can do about this particular joint. What I'm going to do is probably solder a piggyback wire from here to here and here to here, just to work around the problem. But I also need to put in dropper wires anyway for DCC, so today that's what we're going to go do. So that's basically how you go about troubleshooting this kind of thing. Now if you don't have one of these train testers, and by the way I highly recommend them, they're pretty cheap, what you can do too is you could get the shunter and run it at a slow speed and then do the same thing. So while the shunter was going across here, and if I tap down on that, it would also slow down. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. I'm going to go solder some dropper wires and hopefully fix this problem.